I'm attorney Nick Alcock. I'd like to speak a little bit about what's happening with the Obama administration, in particular with drugs. So the big question is, what is Obama going to do about the states that are legalizing marijuana? So Arizona has its own state law regarding medical marijuana. So if you get a medical marijuana card, you can legally possess, as far as the state is concerned, marijuana as long as it's for your own use. The thing is that that's a state law, and that is not something that the federal government recognizes. So up until now, it's been very hazy. What's the deal? Are the federal prosecutors going to prosecute people that have small amounts of drugs, or are they going to let people go and drop it? Essentially, the conclusion is that the Obama administration is not interested in prosecuting people who have, under state law, the right to carry that particular drug. Arizona medical marijuana is a very interesting statute because it's an initiative that I don't think anybody in government wanted to see happen here. Arizona is a pretty conservative state, but it also has a very libertarian kind of feel to it, and so the voters said, it's fine. If you need it for a medical reason, then you can have some marijuana, go for it. Now the big issue here is with medical marijuana, you have the right to have it on you as long as your card is valid and you're not selling it to anybody. Because if you sell it to anybody or even give it to anybody, then you can be convicted, arrested for possession of a drug for sale. If you have a valid medical marijuana card and you have the marijuana on you, you're not giving it to anybody else, for the most part, the Obama administration has said, we're just going to let it go. So stay tuned. We'll obviously be following this. I definitely urge you to be careful with medical marijuana, though, again, keeping in mind that just giving it to somebody else opens you up to prosecution for a very serious offense. And so if you have that card, it's for your own personal use and don't give it to anybody else. And also, if you're driving, make sure that you're not under the influence of marijuana as you drive, because then you get charged with a DUI. We'll be following this story. I think it's great news, and thanks so much for watching.